Karan.
The game changer.
Omnipresent.
An amazing leader.
Awe-inspiring.
Strategist.
A fabulous mentor.
Genuine.
Multitasker.
Prankster.
Super creative.
Enthusiastic.
Hashtag social media.
Mysterious. The most loved person.
Energy.
Most awesome manager in this world.
Udi.
Nerd.
He's had success because of that, and I'm sure he's going to rock because of that.
He gives you that time to evolve. He gives you that space to understand, learn. So I learned a lot from him.
He is full of energy and he never settles for something which is usual. That's what I like about him.
Karan's creativity struck me when I met him when he was straight out of school with a ponytail hair, and he walked into my house and I was like, this guy looks cool.
Everything creative actually that has happened in 2020, Karan has been a part of it. We played the first track when I joined 2020. That was our first day.
A great team manager that he is. Secondly, I would love to see him grow as a professional because he's got great caliber in him and he has great things in him which he needs to go and show the world.
I have enjoyed being in the same space as Karan was, and this is just great, and I will miss him.
Karan is a fun-loving guy, a child by heart, and he's always ready to help anyone. Very dedicated, and he's really fun to work with. Like if there's any issue, even if it's a small stupid thing that you don't know about, you can go and ask him anytime.
He was my first junior when I joined 2020 MSL. So I started working with him on Dell, and the experience since then till now has been, fantabulous. He really puts in a lot of effort in whatever he does.
Karan is a wonderful professional, a creative professional, a great human being, amazing friend, and a fabulous colleague. He's one of the best guys I've ever worked with, and he is one of the first bosses I've ever had in my entire life, and I'll surely remember him for that. And plus, he's from my school, so that makes me feel proud.
The way he's still a kid, being at the level he is already. All in all, someone I wouldn't mind sharing my first name with.
I think he's the creative hat in the agency, in the team also. He gets the craziest ideas, and we love him for that, and I respect him as a professional.
Great experience working with Karan for the past 3 years. He's groomed me, taught me everything that I know about PR.
Because he's the most loved boss in 2020 MSL. I've heard all good things about him. I've heard nobody complaining ever in his team. And I've always seen him smiling.
Whether it is a potluck or it is a BD pitch, he is equally enthusiastic about everything, and he always has this expression. It's always like, he could be talking to you about your life or about something funny that he came across or a person he randomly happened to interview. But he's a very, very positive influence, and I think I've chilled the most with him after 7 p.m.
I think you believe in eat good, feel good, and then do some amazing work for your client. I believe part of your success is because of good food you have.
Hey Karan, all the best as you go on to your new venture in life. I missed the slot of being your first boss by just a couple of weeks to Simul, and obviously I'll never forgive him for that, for quitting a couple of weeks later. Because I know you'll be really successful in life, and one day you'll be asked who was your first boss, and I'll miss being mentioned. So all the best to you. I really don't need to say how much I love you, how much I adore you. You're the best team member any team can get, and I know you really do well in life. Just the fact that I'm looking ugly right now, and I'm sweating, and I'm sending across this video, and I'm daring that much. Just prove that how much I love you. And no, I'm not crying. And thank you, Amrit. Thanks a lot for inviting me today. But as always, just not able to do a lot lot of things in life because of too many priorities right now. Karan, I'm sorry I couldn't be there, but obviously always there with you in wishes. Do well, all the best, have fun.
Karan?
And he's just simply creative, and I've always enjoyed working with him. One instance which I definitely remember and I'll always will is when we were in Nagpur for Opera Pitch. It was a reality show. We were pitching live against Text 100, and this was the only pitch I have ever attended in my life where both the agencies were on the same table and had to comment on each other, and we got about 1 hour to put together a creative pitch, and we just floored the Text 100 guys. And yeah, that's one experience which I'll always remember with Karan. And Karan was, of course, fantastic, like he always is. And I also remember when we were at the airport, it was relatively funny because we had booked ourselves for the next day, and we reached the airport with wrong tickets. We had to buy the tickets at the counter at the airport to get back to our home. And while all of us were at the hotel, we encountered our dear friend Ashwin from the Indian cricket team, because that was the time I think Australia or somebody else was touring India. And we all clicked a picture with Ashwin while I was still on a con call. This was a regional con call, and of course Karan made a lot of fun of me that Chetan will never let go of his con calls, even when he was meeting one of the most favoured cricketers of India. Yeah, I'll miss him a lot.
Karan?
Why do you need to think so much for Karan? Karan is super.
He's awesome. He's creative, man.
He's a mastermind.
He's everywhere.
He's so cool.
He's a genius.
He beats me a lot.
Karan, we love you.